Hey friends, I'm going to keep this super short, and if you like what you're going to see, my website is tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, tomberkenmeyer.com. So how'd I be able to retire myself from the job racket where I don't need a job anymore? And I took that option, by the way, of leaving the job world. Did it a long time ago. It's just, I guess it was just one thing. I got myself involved in a model that let me do it part-time. And for me, part-time really meant 20 minutes a day. That's all I had. And even to get that 20 minutes a day, I had to sacrifice something that wasn't quite necessary, or so much was necessary, but that's all it took. And typically, I couldn't even do it all in 20-minute bites. Typically, I have to break the day up by like 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there, or sometimes 5 minutes, or just a few minutes at a time. But I was just very hungry to learn, big old learning curve, but it was that was it, being able to do it in just part-time. And that's how I'm able to sponsor other people, because everybody that wants to leave their jobs, or at least have the option of leaving their jobs, or even people that love their jobs and they never want to leave their job, but they just want to be able to do more, have more resources, more whatever. The whole magic in it all is being able to do it part-time in one's spare time. That's it. Because that's probably 99 out of every 100 people that I sponsor, they have a full-time job. Many of them have multiple jobs, and they've got families and this and that. So, like, if that option weren't available to be able to do it in one's spare time, then this would not work. It wouldn't work. It just wouldn't happen. So that's it. Being able to do it in a part-time model based on the needs and the availability and the desire of the individual. So that's it. If you want to private message me to talk about your own goals, feel free to do it, and I will hear from you soon. And feel free to share this, because this is something everybody wants to know about. I mean, if someone says they don't care, they're lying through their teeth. Just letting you know, keeping it 100. Take care, everyone. Bye for now. Mwah.